This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Renaming a Windows 11 computer makes identification easier on local networks. It helps when sharing files, using remote desktop, or managing multiple devices. A clear name reduces confusion and speeds troubleshooting for administrators and household users. Windows displays the name in settings, file sharing dialogues, and some backup tools. Good names use letters, numbers, and hyphens and avoid spaces. For compatibility with older services, limit NetBIOS names to up to 15 characters. Choose a unique name such as Office BC01 or John Laptop for clarity. Open Settings from the Start menu or press Windows key plus I to begin. Select System, then scroll down and choose About to view device details. Click Rename this PC near the top of the About page to open the Rename dialog. Type the new computer name and confirm it uses letters, numbers, or hyphens only. Remember, NetBIOS compatibility suggests up to 15 characters for older networks. After entering a name, choose Restart Now to apply immediately or restart later to finish on your schedule. Open PowerShell as administrator for elevated permissions before renaming remotely or locally. Type Rename Computer New Name, Restart to change the local computer name immediately. Replace new name with your desired name using letters, numbers, or hyphens only. To rename a remote machine, add computer name Remote PC and supply credentials with Get Credential when prompted. If you prefer not to restart immediately, omit Restart and reboot manually later to apply the new name. Verify success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.